Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for joining the family, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications to get more info on my videos. From the title, you guys, I'm going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to read for 10 hours. I've never done this before. I don't even know if I should read for up to 10 hours on a normal day. So that's why I'm doing it today, and I'm really hard because I was walking fast. I'm walking to the library now to read, because if I stay in my hostel I feel like I'm going to get distracted. So I'll see you in the library. Bye. Let's begin.
I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it. I've quit ordering from all those fast food chains. I'm feeling better, there's no doubt about it. And my days are brighter, my shoulders are so much lighter. Just for a moment there, I thought that there was nothing more to life. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past, finding reasons to smile and to laugh. And whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid.
Okay guys, I'm about to mark 2 things off my to-do list right now. I've read for about an hour and something minutes. I'm going to start the rest. The librarian has never seen me before. He has asked me whenever I am and whether this is the first time that I'm reading in the library. This is my first time I'm reading in the library. Okay guys, I've been reading for about 2 hours 30 minutes. So I just came to give a quick update. I'm quite hungry. I'm very, very hungry. I'm thirsty. Very, very, very thirsty. Let me continue. Hi guys. I've not yet eaten. I feel dead. I feel like I look dead. I want to leave the library by 3, so I have exactly an hour. No, yes, I have exactly an hour and 15 minutes to leave here. I need to eat good and drink water. But yeah, I've been reading, I think, for the past 3 hours. This should be around my 3rd hour, so I have 7 more hours to go. It has been so long. Like, usually if I read, I take interval of breaks. Maybe after 30 minutes, I'll take a break after 1 hour. But as I cannot remember the last time I read for 3 hours straight. So yeah, let me continue. Then I'll be back when I'm about to go. Like when I was little, that should be in about an hour and 15 minutes. So see you.
Lights. Spent an hour with my memories, and then I realized it's not all black and white. Like I was colorblind, but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tighter. Don't wear my PJs every day, 'cause I would rather be on site. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Kiss my bed.
Hey guys, I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to go to hostel now because I'm very hungry. And when you're reading, you have to eat so that your brain can get glucose to work, because your brain uses glucose. And right now, I feel like my brain is deprived of glucose because I'm not understanding what I'm eating. So I'm going to pack my stuff and go. I'm going to my hostel. I really enjoyed reading at the library. It was fun, kind of. Okay, it's time to run. Hello guys. It is really dark in here, but there's nothing I can do. I just finished eating and resting. It's about 3:20 now, so I want to continue reading. Yeah. See you. Hi guys. You guys don't mind the way I'm looking. This is like a few days after I made this video, and to be honest, challenge was a fail. Like I read for about 5 hours, I think 23 minutes or so. I tried my best. I know I did, because I have other things to do. And I'm just controlling myself at this point. But yeah, I just read for about 5 hours, and the important thing, to be honest, is reading every day. Like if I can read for 5 hours every day, then I feel like I'm okay. But obviously, time will come when I need to like really extend my reading time and like practically read for the whole day. But that now is just a chilling phase. Like there's nothing really serious going on. That is why I'm like this. If not, just a girl. Yeah. So that's about it for. By the grace of God, I'll be able to do another one again, and I'm going to read for that 10 hours. I promise you. Okay, this is the end of this video. If you like this video and you want me to do more, comment, like this video, share and subscribe and all those things. I'll see you guys in my next video. That should be next Thursday. So bye.